Okay, I know I've come in at the last minute, but I thought I'd make a quick video on how to do these pie maker quiches, something quick and easy for school. All right, you just pour it in there. I'm sort of going a bit backwards. That's all in the ingredients in the Thermomix. So, 1 cup of flour. My son's celiac, so I did that. So put that in, add 3 eggs, boom, straight in the Thermomix. Whiz it up. A cup of milk. I added an extra half a cup because I had no cream. Salt and pepper, smoky paprika, and parsley. A blob of butter so it doesn't stick. 1 of these packs of ham, which is 100 grams. I diced really small. A decent handful of cheese. Whoopsie, my bills are in the background. Yeah, so blob it all in there. Oh, and I did a spring onion and chopped that in there. So I didn't use the Thermomix to dice it all. I hand diced it all and then chucked it in there. Whiz it all up, pour it in there, and I'll show you the end result. And I've got my little taste tester there ready to go. Hey? Okay, let's check them. I'll check them. Oh. Right. Decided to do one more little step. So we're going to do a little bit of cheese. Can never have too much cheese. Just a little bit on the top of each one. Oh, I'm not very good at videoing at the same time. Jeez, I suck. I really suck. Alright, that's a bit of a tight ass with the cheese here, but I don't want to burn it, so let's see how we go. And we'll just pop that down for 2 more minutes. And yeah, we'll see how we go. Okay, this is the second batch. I'm just showing you how much I filled them up to make them touch the roof when we shut it. Because these ones sunk a little. Still look pretty bloody good though.
Mum, they smell so good.
Oh shit. Hot. Oh, baby. Oh, sorry, it's not focused, but they look delicious. Anyhow, I'll post the, I wouldn't do them that full again because they do take a little bit longer than the other ones, so just do them halfway, make little baby ones. I'll put the recipe in the comments. Okay, ciao. How is it? Delish?
I love it. You need to try it. I love it.
Good?
You need to make more. I love it. Can you make more after one?
Yeah, I am.
Every single day. Good for school.
Yeah? What else should it be good for?
School, like when you're going out
Parties?
to parties.
Camping?
Yeah.
Could put it in the jaffle maker.
Yeah. Truffle maker.
Stick it on the fire.
Oh yeah.